Okay, I just launched a digital product, and get this, I did the whole thing in one day. No code, no tech headaches, no crying over pixels, just done. The secret sauce? A tool called Landingi. It's basically drag and drop for landing pages. I pick a launch template, swap in my product info, and customize the colors and text. Took me less than an hour to make it look clean and actually convert. I added a quick what you get section, a countdown timer for urgency, and plug in my payment link. And the mobile view? It auto-adjusted. I didn't touch a single line of code. By the end of the day, the page was live. I had 53 email signups and 3 sales. It's wild what's possible when the tech actually works for you, not against you. So if you've been putting off your digital product launch because of landing page stress, don't. Try Landingi. They offer a free trial, super beginner friendly. I dropped the link in the description below. Go check it out.